Many organizations are currently exploring whether Virtual Desktop Infrastructure, or VDI, is a solution that can help them address some of their desktop management challenges. VDI is a desktop delivery model that allows users to access full desktop environments, including operating systems, applications, user settings and data, which reside in virtual machines running on centralized servers within the data center. It is important to understand that VDI is just one form of desktop virtualization. As such, it can be ideal for some scenarios, but may not be a perfect fit for others. Successful scenarios include delivering managed and secure desktops to unmanaged devices such as with outside contractors, centralizing remote desktops such as offshore, outsourced, or branch offices, helping highly regulated industries maintain compliance with security requirements, and providing enhanced desktop personalization in traditional task worker scenarios than is possible through session virtualization. In use cases such as these, VDI can provide significant benefits, such as delivering a secure desktop to virtually any connected device, since desktops, applications, and user data all reside in the data center. Centralized management and instant provisioning of desktops to new users, departments, or offices, and minimize disruption due to hardware failures through automated desktop backup and recovery. VDI from Microsoft is an integrated, cost-effective solution that consists of the underlying virtualization platform, desktop delivery, application delivery, and end-to-end management. Hyper-V, Microsoft's virtualization platform, helps optimize hardware resources by consolidating multiple client operating systems on a single server. It offers compelling features in performance, scalability, availability, and security. Remote Desktop Services, or RDS, in Windows Server 2008 R2, provides the complete remoting and desktop delivery infrastructure for VDI. It includes a basic connection broker suitable for lower complexity, lower scale deployments, which acts as a desktop delivery service that enables end users to connect to a virtualized desktop. For larger scale environments, customers can leverage third-party partner solutions, such as Citrix XenDesktop. Even within a hosted virtualized desktop environment, managing the delivery of applications is critical to success. Microsoft offers two complementary technologies that can help address this issue. Application Virtualization, or AppV, decouples applications from the operating system and enables them to run as network services. Removing the application footprint from the operating system helps reduce application conflicts, brings patch and upgrade management to a central location, and accelerates the deployment of new applications and updates. Remote App provides users access to applications running on a separate RDS host server. It suppresses the desktop and presents only the user interface of the applications onto a local or hosted desktop image. Tying it all together, Microsoft System Center is a comprehensive, integrated management suite that allows IT organizations to manage physical and virtual desktops, as well as servers, from a single, familiar management console. This can significantly reduce the costs and complexity of managing multiple, disparate environments, especially for those who have already invested in System Center as part of their IT infrastructure. The VDI solution from Microsoft is available through purchase of one of the two Microsoft VDI suites, which include the virtualization platform, desktop delivery, application delivery, and core management technology in one value-priced package. For larger-scale VDI environments, customers can leverage third-party partner desktop delivery solutions, such as Citrix XenDesktop. Starting July 1, 2010, Microsoft will offer improvements to the licensing procedure for virtual desktops. Windows VDA is a new device-based subscription program for access devices not qualified for Windows Client Software Assurance, such as thin clients or contractor PCs. Windows VDA helps customers license virtual copies of Windows and access their personal desktop from any device outside the corporate network. Access devices already covered by SA have virtual desktop rights and do not require any additional licensing. Contact your local Microsoft representative today to learn how to take advantage of these benefits. VDI from Microsoft, the comprehensive, cost-effective, integrated desktop virtualization solution that can take your organization to the next level.